Your soap came from animal fat, and your loofah came from a plant. Welcome to the episode 3 of Daily Series and to the club if you've ever wondered about these things. The year 2800 BC, early civilizations accidentally invented soap. They boiled animal fat and wood ash. Animal fat had oil properties and ash had alkaline properties. They discovered that this mixture removed the grease off their body. Before our bathing sponges and scrubs, there was loofah. This came from a cucumber family plant. Even though this plant had fruits that were blooming, people would wait for those fruits to dry up so that it formed a fiber that could be used to clean their utensils and bodies. Now that the loofah that you call is not actually a loofah, it's a bathing sponge. Loofah is the plant. After the animal fat and ash mixture, Egyptians and Romans invented soap as a medicine and a cleansing ritual. But this soap was still hard, harsh, and very unhygienic. So the developed soap structure had a turning point. During the World War II, there was a shortage of animal fat. It could no more be used only for soaps. It was also needed for military purposes. And as we all know, desperate needs lead to desperate solutions. So scientists had to come up with something. They mixed sulfates, petroleum-based oil, and came up with a detergent-based soap. And this detergent is a beta version for all kinds of detergents that we use. This was included in shampoos, laundry detergents, liquid soaps, and eventually body washes. So it's crazy how the soap we use every day is a consequence of a world war. But as we've been seeing, the developments that come today are only because of problems that were caused then. Soap has turned out to be unhygienic and contagious with germs from each other's bodies. So there had to be a development into liquid soap. In 1865, William Shepard invented the liquid soap and bought the rights for it. But hand wash came in later, but before body wash. This hand wash became famous once the pump structure of bottles were invented. Body wash had more fragrance oils, more chemicals that helped cleansing your body, and fragrances that you can choose from. And also, do you know there's a common ingredient with toothpaste in this? It's glycerin. Body wash also has glycerin. Scientists have been trying to invent new things to keep us healthier, cleaner, and happier. There are biosurfactants, waterless soap tablets, and also microbiome soaps. So microbiome soaps only cleanse the bacteria that are harmful. The bacteria that are actually necessary for a human are remain. It's been interesting how human cleansing is over 4,000 years old. Reminder again, stop wandering, start wondering.